from a driver refusing to give up his ID and a suspect attempting to flee in a limo to a wannabe gangster trying to fight police and a 20-year-old woman punching an officer. Here are some of the dumbest people getting themselves arrested. On September 12, 2024, in California, this 38-year-old was stopped by an officer on Bechelli Lane for speeding. He refused to identify himself as required by law for a traffic violation.
Hi, I'm Brian Cowan, Reading Police Department. The reason I stopped you is you're going about 60 miles an hour on Bechelli as you passed me. Can I see your license, registration, and insurance, please?
I'm not in the process of conducting business.
Okay, we're not going to play that game, sir. So if you don't want to identify yourself, I'm just going to place you under arrest and tow your vehicle. Okay?
I'm traveling right now.
Yeah, we're not going to do that. Okay? So I need to see your ID, and I need to see the registration and insurance on your vehicle, okay?
The driver refused to give up his ID, stating that he was not in the process of conducting business.
Okay, you're going to be placed under arrest. Step out of the vehicle. Out of the vehicle.
Hey, bro.
Edward 47. I'll take a 1025. Don't.
Try and hemophilia, bro. Ow, that fucking hurts.
Don't.
Let me get out.
Don't. Out right now. Undo your seatbelt. Undo your seatbelt and get out.
I'm traveling, sir.
He became combative and refused to follow orders given by the officer.
The vehicle. You are under arrest.
I'm not conducting
Get out of your vehicle.
The officer tried to pull him out the car. During the struggle, the driver made several attempts to put his vehicle into drive.
I'm not in the process of conducting business.
47. I'll take another unit.
Get off of me, dude! What the fuck is your problem?
Don't.
Get the fuck off me!
Stop.
Get off me, dude!
Stop.
Get the fuck off!
Stop.
No!
Stop.
God damn it, dude! What the fuck?
Resist.
What
Stop.
I'm not doing
You're under
this.
arrest.
Pull me over then!
Stop.
What the
Me.
No, dude! You're attacking me, dude!
Stop.
No!
Stop.
Off
Stop.
me, dude! You stop! Get the fuck off of me, dude! God damn it, dude!
Stop.
No, you stop!
Stop.
You stop!
You're not going anywhere.
I'm not arrested!
You're under arrest.
For what?
You're under arrest.
Caught me speeding. Give me a ticket so
Stop
I'll be on my way.
He was ultimately taken into custody with the assistance of two citizens.
Smash my face, dude! Stop resisting. And put me under arrest and throw me in the magistrate.
You are under arrest.
Got it? What the?
Yeah.
No.
Here, let's get this arm. Okay.
Stop.
You're good, bro. Stop.
I'm burning my face.
Reading Police Department said that before being booked into the county jail, the driver was transported to a local hospital where he was cleared by a medical doctor. On September 16th, this police officer observed a limousine driving well under the posted speed limit. The officer initiated a traffic stop for a registration violation, but the driver sped off, prompting a pursuit. The driver attempted to pass other southbound traffic on the shoulder, lost control, and crashed into a ditch. The suspect then fled from the vehicle and a pursuit on foot ensued. The suspect was spotted several blocks away before fleeing into a wooded area. Police K-9 chase was deployed to track the suspect, and officers closed in on his location.
Put your hands on your back right now! Get on the ground!
The suspect engaged the officer in a physical altercation, including biting the officer.
Oh, don't bite me! I need help! He's fighting. Watch out, watch out! Move, move, move! Dog! Dog! Put your hands behind your back! 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 Still it! Still it! Hands on your back! Put your hands behind your back! Still it! Good stuff! Come on, roll over! On your stomach! Hey, get on your stomach. Stealing, good stealing, good stealing.
The suspect was taken into custody without further incident. He was charged with fleeing, battery to officer, possession with intent to deliver, and multiple warrants. On Tuesday, September 17th, in Ohio, the Stark County Sheriff's Office deputies were called in response to a person in a costume with a knife. Deputies arrived on scene and quickly located the masked suspect, who then brandished the knife at them. Deputies were able to stop traffic to prevent a collision with the suspect. An officer deployed a taser to effect the arrest.
Stop! 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 Get down! Quick! Still got the knife! Still has a knife! Circom taser deployed!
The suspect was identified as 35-year-old Jacob Weisgarber. He was charged with aggravated menacing, obstructing official business, inducing panic, and resisting arrest. Suspect was also booked on multiple warrants. On January 24, 2024, officers were dispatched to a library in response to reports of a disturbance caused by a man that had been banned from the premises prior to this incident.
Don't give a f*** I go to. Problem with me for no reason.
He doesn't want you back in.
But guess what? He's gonna get fired anyways. Guess what? This is gonna be the 13th complaint on that.
Well, that's fine.
He was acting tough, but when the officer told him to get off the street, he did this.
Hey, guess what? I got your ass 200.
Get off the street. Back up, or I'm gonna touch you.
Touch me, see what happens.
Back up.
The only thing that's gonna happen is you get arrested.
For what? Nothing. For nothing.
Unclench your fist.
Make me.
Act like an adult.
Make me. Come
Act
on.
like an adult.
Come on, I'm ready. I'm ready to go. I will knock both of y'all out.
Never happen.
Yes, it will.
Back up.
You wanna see?
Act like a man.
You wanna see?
Act like a man.
He crossed the line by getting into the officer's face and earned himself an arrest.
What wrong with your ass? Goofy. I'm not even doing. I'm trying to tell you, bro. What kind of mama? I didn't do.
Behind your back.
I didn't do. What the?
Behind your back.
I didn't do. You grabbed me. You grabbed me. I didn't do.
He hasn't been searched.
I didn't do. I was walking past the German and the German grabbed me.
Video.
Eventually, he was taken to the station, where he kept acting stupid.
Bro, my boots are slippery. I slipped.
Come on.
Look, I can't even get up.
Stand up then. Come on.
I looked again, bro. My foot. I'm
Come on,
slipping.
go inside. We're not playing these games.
It's all right. You guys using this one? I'll take it. Oh, this one's busy too. Okay. Hang on tight there for a
I
second.
ain't bullshit this time, bro. I swear to God. No, yes, you are. Yes, I know that. No, today I didn't do anything.
Well, it's just a,
I walked around the police officer and he threw me against the window.
it's just a family reunion, isn't it? Then?
He faced charges of aggravated assault on a police officer, resisting arrest, and criminal trespassing. On May 13th, 2022, officers were dispatched to a residence following reports of a fight involving a gun. Upon arrival, they encountered a woman screaming and acting aggressively in the street.
Tell him to get my stuff. No, I'm not going to tell you to give me my stuff.
You wanna have me cuffed up?
I'm mad.
Wait, listen, we have to figure out what's going on.
I told y'all earlier. He came here, his people live here. He came to my house and took my
Can you stop
stuff.
yelling?
I came here because you took my stuff. Because he took my phone. I have 2 kids. He took my phone. He took my phone.
She was screaming and hitting the car, claiming that she only wants her phone back. But when the cop tried to cuff her, she did this.
Phone. You're about to do. I need my phone. Hey, you know phone to me. I need my phone. I need.
Put your hands behind your back.
Put your hand behind your back.
I'm not going nowhere. Give me my kid.
Was that worth it? Was that really worth it?
Even after getting arrested, she was still asking for her phone back.
Give a
Come on.
I don't, man. Give me my phone. Y'all not about to do that to me. Give me my phone. Give me my phone.
Quit.
I don't care. Give me my
pull the
phone.
trees up here.
Give me my phone.
That's fine.
He threw my phone. I want my shit. I paid for your rental. What are you talking about? I paid for that.
Listen, man.
No, he seemed cool though.
Listen, hey, listen, man. I have a job to do. I'm here to solve it. What's the story between you guys?
She pulled up. The first time we didn't want to tell them. They pulled up and she was flashing a gun.
Okay.
So then, I don't know where when y'all let them go, they came back and she hopped out, broke in my rental, started trying to vandalize shit in there. I had to grab her out of there because I got to turn that motherfucker in tomorrow. I ain't paying no money for you. And she just went crazy. That's when she went crazy.
Where do you guys live? Do you guys live here?
Nah.
Where do you guys live?
We live on the east side.
I told y'all I was pregnant. He keep hitting me into his face with his gun. Y'all just sitting here, let him do it and take my phone. Yes, they let him take my phone. They wouldn't give me my stuff back. Went to my house in Cuyahoga Falls. Cuyahoga Falls police wouldn't do nothing. I tried to get y'all to get my phone. Y'all wouldn't do nothing. I'm 20 and I got 2 kids. I have no help. That's my only help and he took it.
Why are you over here?
She stated that she had 2 kids and no help by anyone, and then said she was pregnant again. The officer had enough and went back talking to the guy.
She's screaming that she's pregnant.
She do that every time.
So what? How do you? I
We're
don't
not
know if
even
he asked you.
together.
How do you actually know her? Because now this has turned into a whole.
It was a situation shit. We were around. I was with another woman. I started with her while I was with the other woman. 2 other women to be exact.
Okay.
I'm a player, bro.
I got you.
I'm gonna keep it like I'm gonna keep it.
The woman was eventually taken to jail. She is facing charges of disorderly conduct, resisting arrest, and obstruction of official business. Charges of domestic violence were not pursued at this time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.